Khubor ka Batisi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Frank Motors. The dark is here to rule.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore. Kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ka jingkuli nursing but paramedical course. Hospital training. Pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam. Aki hospital bahedo India but shabarni. Nabanta ka jingkuli ka jinseo ka parek. But pila banleg group ban kuli da ka education loan. Pila aruban syukol lahu number. Kandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani kandai pran riu laisan. Arn riu bay kandai pra.
Jangan.
Ada.
Baru ya bos. Nggak. Tak. Betul. Combination ini.
I think plus itu kalau dia ada ada assembly dengan Shah. Promotion kalau apa kan orang alis ila culture government lagi different kalau nak party then all party meeting yang ada menyentren di roster for us we don't need to discuss the roster we know what is roster they kebangidan kan tolong Pak strictly we want to discuss on this issue katahi kita dalam kuah ini kasi tolong dalam review dari sedition dan put on hold the roster because the roster is just a system to ensure that the policy is strictly followed. So we don't need an explanation about roster. Believe him so far. Pani kasi ko aji tolong very clear. We want to review the reception policy. Review the reception policy. If the government agrees. Once the government is ready to discuss on that subject, to review, then in second first thing you'll have a trend bar, at least the ratio should have been proportionate from population structure.
Like your dog. I will look at all your
yes.
Tungin niya pet, AP of
the government was it has to be optional. It has to be optional.
I'm worried.
It has to be
You're
optional.
Khuslai
It has to be optional. Government will write, then we will decide as a party what we will do.
What do you want me to write? When I have some
No. Better you will write. I cannot simply take it. It's not optional. It has to be optional. It
in
has
what
to be in black
sense?
and red.
That? What
Black
do you
and
want
red.
me to write?
It depends upon you. Then. How the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh,
agitation.
No.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be optional. It has to be optional. It
In
has to
what
be in black
sense?
and red.
That? What
Black
do you
and
want
red.
me to write?
It depends upon you. Then. How the government writes to us. How
Then
the government
again,
looks
you
at
say,
this
oh,
agitation.
No.
I think the government must be aware. The government must be aware that our agitation is based on the failure of the government to accept, or demand to review the reservation policy. So how the government is going to review that? It depends upon the government. It depends upon the government. But at least what we have mentioned openly is that this policy should have been proportionate on population structure. That is number one. For further details, then the committee or the government may decide. No, this committee is not on reservation policy. It's on roster. The government is trying to mislead.
Just take care of yourself. No. I've understood your mind now. Yeah. I will talk to everyone. I've understood you, but I want you to keep safe.
Yeah. What I will continue. I will continue.
Why even
No.
We need you.
Yes,
you are a legislator. Come on. Surely there's nothing about himla about your song, of course.
Yes. Definitely. Which is why we want to discuss this issue on the floor of the house. In fact, we decided first. We sought to discuss this issue in the floor of the house. We didn't want to take this issue on the street, but now this issue is on the street. So everybody they are looking at us now. We just cannot simply.
have Thngan waiting number.
I don't know.
Dadak lang in number sa
Even without numbers, the government should have a concern on the seriousness of the issue. On the seriousness of the issue. Bila mentakan सरकार का shooting number में, तो वो issue की बालों.
Tingnan ang kumuha baka democracy kaya kita.
No. This is not
democracy kaya kita. Iba na at private members, we have got
That is not democracy. That is not democracy. That is the rules. That is the rules and procedure of conduct of business in the house. So they are applying with rules, not with democracy. This is democracy.
That's the way the world is.
It should have been done in. It should have been done
you have the
in a real
numbers. You will
democratic
also
way.
not allow any other political party.
We will discuss real issues.
Okay, we'll discuss.
If we are in the government, we will discuss real
No,
issues.
we will. I just come here.
Okay, thank you so much.
Concerned.
I'm very grateful for your
I'm
concern.
very concerned.
Okay,
I want
I'm
you
very
to be
grateful
fit.
to you,
I want you to
but we cannot decide individually. This is, you are coming here.
So you are saying now give it in writing.
Yeah.
Now I don't know what you want in writing. So I will go back and I will find out what is this writing you want. I hope that even after that writing you should not be
Our message is very clear.
Tulong
Reservation
in Piniaja
is
talaga
how
ito.
you reserve. No, you don't understand what is reservation.
So that is why you make us understand.
Reservation is a policy where you reserve job for this class of people living in the state. That is reservation.
That is what the
Okay,
policy says.
so the ratio in the present reservation is 40% for the Garos and 40% for the Khasis and 20 for others, right? So we find that this policy is not okay in the sense that it is not proportionate in terms of population structure. We are more, the Khasis are more than Garos by 15%, by 19%. So
Khasi means what? Giant So
Yeah.
many of them.
yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Kinriam
there.
Upanar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't
dividing.
try to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't
I'm
try
saying
to
let's
explain
not-
about the
let's
division.
not-
Don't try to
let's
bring
not
that
get
issue.
into that.
When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi
I have
means
not come
Kinriam
here to
Upanar,
argue
Uboy,
with you.
Ruar, Maramulingam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaintia, if you bring Boy, then there will be another
worried.
problem.
That is
No,
what I'm
why should you
worried.
worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are
I'm
promoting
worried.
unity. We are promoting
what we
unity.
do now
We call
is-
for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Panar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that.
Let us talk about it. Let us discuss this in a proper manner.
I think
I have come here to tell you, but I'm worried. I'm worried.
So if
it's not
you are-
good for the
yeah.
state. Not
Don't
good
worry
you,
for me.
Not good for the state.
Don't
the
worry
state,
for
the
me.
state.
Okay, worry
Not
for
good
the
for all of
youth
us.
of the state,
I'm very concerned.
youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youth.
I'm very
Worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for me.
everyone.
I'm ready to sacrifice my life.
Okay.
More. I'm
And
ready
please,
to sacrifice
please
my
let
life.
us meet.
Yeah.
Let us meet across the table. I've come here to tell you, please, if possible, withdraw your strike. Come, let's talk. For the good of the state.
No.
Come, Lele. No.
I
As you
don't-
wish. As you wish.
see,
I have come.
yeah, okay, thank
I
you.
have come.
Yeah, thank you. But as I told, Union Nekran, we are ready to withdraw if the government decides to review the policy. And we are ready to go to the negotiating table with the government, to sit with the government if the agenda is on the reservation policy.
It is the reservation.
No, no, as of now, this committee that we are heading is on roster, please.
But
It's on roster.
I've come.
Yeah,
I have
okay.
done my duty.
Okay,
Please
thank
take
you.
care of yourself.
Yeah, okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Take
So
care.
much.
Kila slow ngawan ban request si Ardent ban withdraw yang ka strike ni namar ba igwa man ya kren kami kampahan nakatanga don ban ong asyuan ban request si ban sko ha ban withdraw no kata agitation du namar bang idon kam man ya kren lem da kating ya kren siya ingin ya boy sa ginig suku mla tapi ingin saya pakita nga ngade ka Emily ngade ka nong susunok Kasno dan kaman wan ngalawan. Ngalale e nakajong. Kajing hot ki isya kajing langin saya hot. Iwan tingin. Isla man ya friend. Kaya ni ngangawan kum kanong sosno. Ngawan kum ka MLA. Ngadan kajing susi kajing ba. Ba kuli lang. Ngadon pohok teman. Ban request ni. Ban subha ban withdraw ya ka agitation. Tangkan taki ngin saya kan ya ka ay kabanja ngimla ban ya kren pa. Nga kermen bakan bed. Iwan ban pen bed.
Minta Iwan Pesna.
Personal. Personal kung kanong song. Kung kaway hindi kita try lang ba. Na try kam don problem ka to.